Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to turn on dark mode in your Google Docs, then this video is very helpful for you because in this video I will show you how to make Google Docs dark mode. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open new tab and here search for Google Docs and just open Google Docs and click on new blank document. And here you can see we have only light mode, and in the next tab you have to search for Google Docs dark mode, and here you will see Chrome Web Store. Click on it and you have to install this extension. Click on add to Chrome and click on add, and this extension will automatically be added to our Chrome. And then click on again your document and just refresh, and you can see our dark mode has been enabled successfully. If I want to again make it light mode, then just click on it and you can see our dark mode is disabled, and then again click on here and dark mode is enabled. And if you want to make this page to dark, then click on this and you can see this page is converted into dark. So guys, in this way you can turn on dark mode in your Google Docs. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.